Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. All of these releases will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. Also Wednesday, the mystery reveal is going to be coming out because those will be dropped on Wednesday. You will have already, you'll receive tracking today. If you're watching, then this goes live. But it is such a good mystery. Maybe my favorite for the year actually. It's so cute, favorite so far. But let's go into this week's new releases. I feel like this week I have like a random assortment of things. Usually we have like a foil bundle and doodles, but I'm actually working on something like kind of new that I should be able to show y'all next week. I was hoping to get it done this week, but it just didn't work out with the artist that I'm working with. But next week, I think I will have it ready. So I'm very, very excited. I cannot wait to like format it into little sheets, but let's go into this week's releases. We do have 3 collections, 3 monthlies, and then also these. Let's go through these first. So I ordered these because I know not everyone uses foil, or maybe there's a week you're just not feeling very foily. And I wanted to come out with white and black just as like a simple neutral option for bow overlays for the 15mm strip now that they are in the kits. So let me show you in the black because it'll be the easiest to see. They are on clear paper, so you can put these over the 15mm strip if you don't feel like using a foil option. And then they also come in white. So those will be available in the shop. I'm just gonna put these in the listing for the foil one, and then you can pick white or black if you'd like those. Then let's go through the monthlies. I did 3, and this is all thanks to Jess of Kitten Chefs because she's like, Andrea, need some monthlies, just do them. So this is the one that she suggested first. So this is the Pride monthly, and I think this turned out super cute. I love the colors in this kit. They're like the most beautiful summer colors. I just think it's a gorgeous palette, and I also just love the artwork so much, and I cannot wait to use it. So this is the A5 wide version, so this will work in the Aura Estelle A5 wide monthly inserts, and it will also work in the Print Pression SPC version, or I think actually all of his inserts that he's selling currently are the SPC version, so you can use the A5 wide and the B6 in his monthlies. But this is super cute. I'm actually going to start doing monthlies, which I'm really excited about. They're going to be in my work planner, which is a spiral. Kane did also recently just restock his spirals, and this is what they look like. I use this for work planning, and I'm going to do videos in it. Probably do 1 video a month just to kind of show y'all what I'm doing. But basically, the beginning, you have the little SPC bow with the Print Pression logo, and then you have the monthly here, a little piece of dust there, which you can fit our kits in, and then it goes into the weeklies, which is like the SPC version. So it doesn't have any lines on the bottom, it doesn't have any lines on the sidebar, it doesn't have any dates to cover up. So it's kind of a really blank slate, which I love. This has the luxe cover on it. Super, super cute. He's actually offering custom covers right now, I believe still. So definitely check him out if you are in need of a spiral. So again, this is the A5 wide version of the Pride Love is Love collection. And then this is the B6 version, which fits B6 inserts from Aura Estelle or Print Pression. And then there's 2 kind of summary ones. So this is the Boardwalk art. Let me go ahead and give y'all a little flip through here. Super cute. Love these colors. This would look so pretty with hollow, lavender hollow, silver, gold, rose. I feel like actually both of these 2 would look good with all of the like core foil colors. And then there's this one here, which I think this one was called like Hello Summer maybe. Lots of summer options. I actually might make Atlantis, which I'll show you in a minute, into a monthly as well. I think that'd be a really, really cute one. Let me know if you want that in the comments down below. I think that would be gorgeous. I'm in love with that art and the colors. It's just beautiful. And then also the B6 version for this one too. I love the pink, so cute. And then let's go into the kits for this week. So first I'll show you Atlantis because it's on top and it's so, so, so pretty. I love the colors. I love the vibes. I love mermaids. Ugh. I feel like the summer art this year is just popping. Like it's just like, it's never ending and I am here for it. There's so many options. Ugh. So this is Atlantis. I did like an ombre on the sidebar. I just think it fits like the oceany water vibes. You have the fashion boxes here, which are super cute. And there's also another fashion option on this page here with the glitter headers. But like, Let me give you a close up. I don't know if I've been this obsessed about a summer kit in so long. I just think it's so beautiful. I love mermaids. I love these colors together. It's just the epitome of beautiful. Love everything about it. And I also did use my first kit in the new format. I used Flavor Town. The video's not up yet, but I think it'll be up this week probably. Yeah, I think so. So love that. The 15mm washi was definitely a game changer, not having to cut it. So you have the sand and the water on this one. I love this with like the little crab chilling here. And then the freebie and the mini and the ultimate are like the summer doodles in the colorway. So that is the ultimate kit. All of this week's collections come in an ultimate and mini, of course. So you have the ultimate kit, the mini kit, and then there are add-on options of the doodles, the functional, the label 2, which is like a light purple color if you want to add that in, and then the ombre. So pretty. Cannot wait to put that into my lineup. Speaking of beautiful summer collections, this one's colorway is so good. Oh, it's so pretty. It's just the summer art this year. I feel like it's been a couple of years of like summer art being like cute, but like this year it's a plentiful and I love it. So this is adorable. I love everything about this. I love this gorgeous scene here. It's just so serene and I love the fashion option, especially her. She's just so cute. And these colors are so beautiful. I kind of want like every year to have a set in these colors. I just think that they're so fun and different, but still like so summery and like festive for this season. You have the bottom washi, the extra box here, and then the extra and the ultimate mini is the different skin tone options for that box. So obsessed with this one. Also probably going to need to find a little spot for her in my summer lineup. I actually had quite a few spots open. I am doing a lot of anytime in summer, but I was like waiting. I think it was like a premonition. I knew there's going to be some good stuff coming, so I left room. So there is the doodles for this one if you want to add it on, the functional, the label 2, which is this really cutie like orange color, tangerine if you will, and then there's this fashion option here which is gorgeous, and this you could actually use instead of this box if you want, and you can put that in to make a scene, or you could just leave this double scene and put this over here. I don't like on a different part of the spread. I personally would probably take one of these fashion options and put her here, and then take this one and maybe put this up in the sidebar and put like a summer quote on it. That's kind of my vision there. And then the ombre, so stinking cute. And then last but not least, we have a reformat that I'm super excited about because I don't think I ever reformatted this in this colorway. So this is Carnival. Whenever I reformatted this, I did it in a pastel colorway, which y'all loved. But I thought, what the heck, let's bring it back in its original colorway. I love this art so much. It's just so fun. And I feel like it really like captures like a carnival, and I love carnivals. So let's go into it. She hasn't been reformatted in this colorway. Maybe she was, but I don't think she was. So but this colorway is like screams summer, makes me want to go to a carnival. I love everything about it. I love the fashion options. I love the food. I love like the scenes. This was always my favorite as a kid, like where you take the potato sacks and like go down the slides. I actually did it like maybe like 4 years ago. It was just so fun. You have a faux mixed metal gold silver moment throughout, which I think would be the vibes for me whenever I use this again, is doing like gold and silver or champagne lights sparkly hollow mixed. I think we have a foil bundle of that coming out sometime, so stay tuned for that. You have the half boxes and like smaller boxes, the little things, the solid labels, the pattern labels, and the bottom washi. Like this with a mixed metal is just going to look so beautiful if you just do like gold or silver. I think it would also be really cute too. I feel like you could also do sparkly hollow. I feel like you could even maybe pull rainbow into this and be really fun, or a fun foil color like a blue would be really pretty. You have your extra box here, which is of the like little like, what are they called? Carousel ponies. And then the freebie and the ultimate and the mini is the tall box with the little ride sign, which is going to look so cute in the sidebar. I'm obsessed. I cannot wait to use this again. I feel like I probably won't use it till next year whenever we go to the rodeo, because the rodeo already passed this year. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it so much. Love it. Also comes in a mini kit, and then we also have the add-on options. So you do have the doodles, the functional, the fashion. Like, oh, I love all of their hair colors. They're each of the colors in the kit. It's so pretty. and the liver shorts. And then this fashion option, so there's 2 different fashion option add-ons. Super cute with the little teddy bear. The extra color, if you want to add it on, is the green. And then you have the label sampler and the ombre art checklist. So lots of options there for add-ons. But that is everything for this week. I am super excited for all of the fun summer art with the gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I feel like that was somehow a tongue twister. And then also we do have these coming out as well. And I have something super exciting coming out next week. I'm hoping to get it done. But yeah, stay tuned for that, and also stay tuned for the mystery, which I'm about to go film right now. That'll be up on Wednesday, but everything will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.